Android mobile phone users, search ecoworthy in Google Play or scan the QR code below to download and install. Apple mobile phone users, search for ecoworthy in the App Store or scan the QR code below to download and install. Turn on the battery before connecting, make sure the dial address is set correctly, and select the main battery, address 1, for connection. Using Wi-Fi mode. You must log into your account when using Wi-Fi mode. Click My, Log In. If you don't have an account, register first. Select the main battery connection according to the MAC address. Find the ecoworthy platform and set up Wi-Fi. After the connection is successful, the lower left corner will show Wi-Fi already connected. After the connection is successful, click Return. At this point, the device status is offline. Click Device Refresh in the lower left corner and wait for the device status to become online. How to remove a device. Delete. Long press the corresponding device icon for 2 seconds in App Device page, or click the icon in the upper right corner of the device page to delete and disconnect the device. The deleted device needs to be added before it can be used. Using Bluetooth mode. If you only need to use Bluetooth mode, you don't need to log into your account. Open ecoworthy app to enter the device interface and click the icon in the upper right corner. Select the Add Device function. Select the main battery to connect to Bluetooth according to the MAC address. Click the Refresh button in the upper right corner to refresh the Bluetooth connection status. When the Bluetooth icon is red, it means it is not connected. When the Bluetooth icon is blue, it means it is connected successfully. Get Help and General Settings. Click on My, Get Help.
Select the corresponding device and view the common problems of the device. Click My, General Settings. You can change the language and account settings. Question 1. How many batteries should I connect? How do I determine which one to connect? Answer 1. After establishing master-slave communication via the RS-48552 interface, only the master battery needs to be connected. You can identify the corresponding battery by its MAC address. Question 2. Why is the connection failing even though I've set the correct Wi-Fi name and password? Answer 2. The server rack series batteries can only connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Question 3. Why does it show a successful Wi-Fi connection, but I can't see the connected device under Wi-Fi? Answer 3. After successfully connecting to Wi-Fi, wait 1 to 5 minutes for the battery to update data. While waiting, click Device in the lower left corner to refresh the interface. LF. The device doesn't display for a long time. Delete the device and restart the app to connect. Question 4. Where is the app's privacy policy? Answer 4. Click My on About to view the privacy policy.